In this real life scenario, we're dealing with the percentage, I should say, of overweight Americans or obese Americans since 1960. And the big thing here is P of T represents the percentage, okay? And T in this case represents the number of years since 1960. So when T equals 0, it's 1960. If T equals 22, it's 1982. Okay, so we're going to use the equation provided to determine in what year the percentage of overweight Americans first reached 46%. And it gives us a clue here. It says plug 46 in for P of T and solve graphically or using the quadratic formula. I highly recommend that you do this one graphically. It will make your life so much easier. And then we round to the nearest whole number. Okay, so what we're basically going to do is we're going to take this 46 and plug it in for P of T. So we're going to go 46 equals... Then I'm going to write the rest of the equation that we see up here. So I'm just going to copy that part down right here. So that's 0.0101 t squared plus 0.0530 t plus 44.537. Okay, now I highly recommend that you plug this into your graphing calculator. It will make your life so much easier. And when you plug this in, this will be your y1 will be 46. Your y2 will be that equation right here, this big long one. Just plug that in. Now you can't use t, so you'll actually plug it in and use your x value. Then you're going to see the graph on this one, and what we're looking for is the intersection, the point in which these two cross each other. Okay, and as we graph those, we find the intersection. We find out that the intersection point is 9.69, 46. Now, on this particular one, we asked you to round the answer to the nearest whole number. So the nearest whole number in this case would be 1046. Now, let's talk about that just for a moment. The 46 represents our percent of Americans who are overweight or obese. So that's where this 46 came from. 10 is our x value. Okay, and our x value, which is t in this case, t is the number of years since 1960. Okay, so if it's 10 years after 1960, that would put us at 1970. So our answer on this particular one is in 1970 is when the number of Americans who are overweight or obese reached 46%. So 1970 is your answer on that.